Well, all right. You know what time it is. You know what I'm about to do. Let's go ahead and install the stereo system. Yeah, it's about that time. All right, you guys. This is what I did so far. I took the doors off. This is what could be easier. Next thing I'm about to do, I gotta take the rear seat out and maybe the seats out. This is so I can have easier access to get the job. All right, I took the seat out. Looks like the previous owner had a dog in there. See nothing but dog hairs. We'll get that cleaned up, and I did the back seats, loosen those up because I got something that's gonna go underneath there. So next thing I need to do, I need to go ahead and take the dash apart. All right, you guys, I just took the dash apart, and what I did was I purchased this thing right here. This right here is a factory service interface. It comes with the RCAs. So what I can do, I can just go ahead and run the RCAs back to the back of my amp. I ain't got to splice no wires or nothing. You just plug, and that's it, simplified. So we'll go ahead and run the wires all the way through and run it to the back. Yeah. All right, you guys, just putting in the power wire. See, I went through this, let me see. Oh boy, I need to zoom it in. Right there, through the garment, right there. Yeah, through the garment, right there. You gotta go through right there. Since I have a manual, I gotta go through right there. Sorry about the video, we're just editing. You can see, it got underneath the car to get to it, and then it goes all the way up there. And you might have to take the shroud off. You might have to move the shroud a little bit just to get to it, because it's kind of a pain in the butt to get to. But fortunately, I have a manual. This is where I had to go. I had to go through this rubber boots. Whew, that was tough. All right, my people, I just got rid of all the dog hair. There was dog hair everywhere. Had to clean that up first, man. It was like, yeah. So we went on ahead and got rid of all the dog hair. First, people only had a dog. We do a little bit more cleanup, and then we go ahead and start installing. All right, my people, got done installing the wiring. Put the dash back together. The dash was apart. Took it back together. Cleaned up the wiring. Got everything going to the back. Let's open it up. Here's all the wires going to the back. Fortunately, I'm having a very high power system, 5,000 watt stereo system. So you see the 2.0 gauge wire. And yeah, so I did my down for sound lithium batteries. All right, so now next thing I need to do is start hooking the things up. Yeah. All right, my people, it's getting dark. I'm gonna have to call it this one a day. But this is an example of what I'm working with. 2 lithium batteries. I got this Sundown SPF or SP8 5000D, wherever it is, and then this little amp for my mids and highs, dual amp for my mids and highs. All right, you guys, we'll have to call it a day because it's getting dark. But we'll continue this tomorrow. Stay tuned.